Hi, today we're going to be talking about a new feature of APOS Publisher for Cloud. We now have a new web-based user interface for scheduling, which enables users the ability to schedule your bursting definitions from a web-based interface. This provides users simplified deployment and it's a very easy to use interface. Because it's a web-based UI, there's no server access needed, no application that needs to be installed. Everything is controlled from the web browser with authentication. Users can essentially open up their browser on their laptop or workstation, log into the browser application, start scheduling the bursting definitions right from there. It provides an enriched, intuitive interface. Users can very easily navigate through the interface, schedule the bursting definitions that they have access to. It's very customizable as well, so you can tailor the interface to your needs. Because of how easy it is to use, you can broaden the horizon of your user group for Publisher for Cloud by enabling business users to do self-scheduling of bursting definitions as well. You do not need any technical skills to utilize this web interface. Finally, we just want to talk about the types of roles that are involved in the Publisher for Cloud configuration. So the first role we have here is broadcast creator. This user is responsible for defining the bursting definitions, creating the scope of the configuration recipient data source, applying filters of the formats and destinations. This all happens within the desktop application, which can be locally run on your laptop or workstation. No server login process is needed here. Then we have the broadcast scheduler. This is the user responsible for scheduling the pre-built bursting definitions. They define the frequencies and the recurrence types. They manage existing schedules. And this can all happen either on the desktop application or from the web UI. The broadcast creator could also be involved here, or the scheduler could be a completely different process role as well. Once the schedules have been submitted, then the APOS Publisher for Cloud server is responsible for the execution of the broadcasting definitions. This all happens automatically, handled on the Windows application server. And then finally, once the broadcast executions have happened, the information recipients will receive the reports in their desired format with their tailored data in the destinations that they require. Let's get into a demonstration and let's navigate through the web UI and what it looks like. This is the home screen of the Publisher for Cloud web UI. So with the account that you're given access to, you log into the web UI, you can personalize this, you can provide your own customized photo. On the top right hand side here, you can see you have your profile, your preferences, you can change your password. You can even download the desktop application locally to your machine directly from the browser as well. On the main screen here, you can see I have access to my bursting definitions. So these are based on my history. I can access my public folders and navigate through my public folders. I even have access to my personal folder here if I have my own customized bursting definitions that I wish to use as well. From here then, I can easily schedule these bursting definitions as I wish. So I click on the schedule button. It will give me the same options that the desktop application has, so I can schedule these on a once, hourly, daily, weekly, monthly basis. I can specify days of the week, weeks of the month, specify my start and end times, and I go ahead and click schedule and it will create that bursting definition on a recurring schedule successfully for me. Here I can also look at the history screen. So this is my history screen, as you can see in the application. It shows me my current history, my recurring schedules, and anything that's actively being processed in the system right now. Like you can in the desktop application, I can edit my schedules, pause, release, and delete. I also have a favorites tab here as well. So if I go back to my bursting definitions, so there's a favorite button here, I can click on that and it will add that to my favorite list as well. So I get quick access to the bursting definitions I most frequently schedule. We also support various languages within the web UI. So here you can see the web UI in Spanish, and here it is in Italian, and finally here it is in German. Many languages we are supporting here within the web UI, as well as a very easy to use web interface for users to be able to schedule their bursting definitions. Any questions about anything that we have went over here today, please feel free to reach out to APOS. Thank you.